First, turn on the device. On the left side of the screen are the parameter settings. Set the temperature and time. Set the tonnage and time. Shape can be changed. The close button to stop timing. Put the sample in after setting. Click to heat. Click on Settings. Enter the multi-section settings. Can be increased or decreased. Start now. Call when set up. Click Settings again to enter the sample settings. After returning, you can access the history record. Return to the interface. You can see the heating curve. Introduction.